Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and I'm here back with another lock update. It's my client's LOCAVERSARY. It's been 1 year since I installed these locks. And on this video, I'm going to take you through a sister lock journey for 1 year, the way it has progressed. And here we just want to do the normal retie, which we normally do after 6 or 8 weeks. She has really maintained since the air got locked. And earlier there, before the air locked, the first 3 months, he used to do a reties after every 4 weeks. And that has really helped her in her lock journey. Her hair locked so fast. Actually, the hair is completely locked, and also the grid is well maintained. As you can see there on the installation day, it's still the same. The grid is perfectly intact. She adheres to the Sister Locks rules and doesn't miss a reties appointment. And that has made a journey so smooth. We are all happy with the progress. So far, she has braided her hair like twice. She had an occasion where she didn't want to attend with her hair still short. She thought like it was not looking neat and she braided some braids on top of the hair. So far, I still maintain the 3 point rotation. The hair has really grown. It was quite shorter than this. Actually, it was just like that size of the finger, and now it has a good length. It's only that she has a lot of shrinkage, so you cannot really see the length until the hair starts dropping, though it has grown so much and even fuller. It has really flourished and it's beautiful. To say the truth, the hair was cute even from day one. Hey, lovelies, thanks for stopping by, and I'm glad to be here after a very long time. Feel welcome if you're clicking my video for the first time. I am Sabi, and I'm a loctician within Kisumu in Kenya. I specialize on sister locks and micro locks establishment and maintenance. In general, retightening, maintenance, and consultation at a fee. So if you consider getting sister lock, or you know someone who would want sister lock or retightening, I would really appreciate even the referral. Kindly send them my way if they are within Kisumu, Kenya, and be assured of the perfect grid and also a very neat lock that is guaranteed. And you will get the value of your money. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing to help me grow this channel. Like and press the notification bell for more amazing videos like this. And watch this video up to the end. I'm going to show you how it all started at the end of this video. And I'm also here ready to share every information I have with you people. If you have any question, just DM or just come into comment section, and if it's something I know, I will gladly help you. I will leave my number in the description box so that you can even contact me direct. The air is super full, my client is happy, and so do I. Well, let's see how it all started, and this video is here on this channel. This was day one of installation. The install took 2 days because my client was a little bit busy, and the second day we started in the afternoon, and this is how it all was done. And as you can see, it was cute, and this is the first retie, so neatly done. Unfortunately, I've lost some other photos and the videos. This is all I have. Yeah, she was 4 months locked. She's progressing well and still trusting the process. And we styled the lock for the first time and she was very happy. She's super excited and satisfied. And it was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in my next Happy Locaversary.